Miro is a biometric robot companion, and we use it to teach people programming, promote research into robot-human interaction. We're just getting into the education market, so our kind of ideal user would be universities, researchers, developers, schools that are looking to promote robotics or kind of expand into the programming worlds.
It's packed full of sensors and motors, so got cameras, microphones, sonar, IR sensors, light sensors, touch sensors. You can access all of them from our sort of coding interface. So if you program any behavior you like, and you can access all of that input from the sensors. So it's really sort of an open platform for you to do what you want with.